A myna bird was saved from a falcon's clutches by a kind man. Mynas are native to South Asia and countries such as India, Pakistan, and Bangladesh. Several species of mynas, particularly the common myna, have been introduced to large areas of North America, Australia, South Africa, Fiji, and New Zealand, where they have spread and multiplied as invasive species.
To see more videos of the wonders of the world, please subscribe to the Life in Paradise channel. Thank you.